Now we will go for natural and man-made factors. Now in this topic we will see what are natural and what are man-made factors. Now we will see about first natural factors. Natural factors are relief, soil, water, climate. Flat and low lands are more suitable for agriculture as compared to the high land. In the hilly areas, soil is less fertile and the problem of the soil erosion is high. When we go for agriculture, the land should be very flat. Whereas flat land has a thick layer of the fertile soil is more suitable for growing the crops. Next, availability of water. Where is more available water we will see in this topic. And next is climate. What does the arable and land mean? Arable land means that land on which crops are grown. The crops which are grown on the land, that is called arable land. Next, temperature, rainfall. You can see that agriculture growths are concentrated in those areas of the world where suitable factors for the growth of the crops existed. Here, machines, fertilizers, labor, market, transport. These things are used by only man-made. Next, farm system. In farm system, what we are having? Inputs, processes, outputs, machinery, seeds and chemicals, and ploughing and sowing and spraying for the crops. These systems are used in the crops. Next, first we go for seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, and next machinery, labors, and sunshine, rainfall, and advocate temperature, this soil. What are physical inputs? Human inputs. In physical inputs, sunshine, rainfall, temperature, soil, slope. And in human inputs, storage, labor, machinery and chemicals we need. Process of the actions within the farm that allow the inputs to turn into outputs. From we should go for inputs and turn we should go for outputs. Now sowing seeds, spraying pesticides and irrigation field and weeding, harvesting, types of farming. Now we will discuss about different types of farming and their features. In farming, factors, demand for produce and geographical conditions and labor and level of technology. Next, geographical conditions. Soil type and temperature, rainfall must be there in geographical conditions. Rice is grown in an area where heavy rainfall takes place. Where rice will grow in heavy rain, where the crops will have heavy rainfall. Where wheat as is grown in the area of moderate rainfall. Next, labor. Labor is the most useful in crops like tea and coffee. Level of technology. Level of technology is introduced in geographical condition, demand for produce and labor. Classification of farming. Subsistence farming, commercial farming, subsistence farming. This type of farming is done mainly for existence of survival of the farmers and their family members. Agricultural products are mainly consumed by the farmers. Land, they must have small piece of land and hoe and dirt and digging sticks. No surplus. Subsistence farming. Intensive subsistence farming are primitive subsistence farming. Intensive subsistence farming, the farmers cultivate a small plot of land using simple tools and more labor. They will use only simple tools and they will use more labor. It also known as labor intensive farming because a large number of people work on a small piece of land. It is mainly done in thickly populated area of the monsoon regions of South, Southeast and East Asia.